Welcome to the Herzlandschaft exhibition. Here we are telling people how it feels to live inside the dictatorship. We have the arts of the political prisoners, representation of the tyranny as it is. This is a word against imperialism as a mindset. A massive empire needs ideology that brings people together on the same point. You need to explain to people from Siberia what do they actually have in common with people from Moscow. And it is hard to explain that. Art is with us.
No, around.
A little piece of love.